How to fix Instagram password incorrect problem. First open up the Instagram. Now I want to log in my Instagram account using my Instagram username and password. So this is my Instagram account username. So here I want to type my Instagram account password. Now if I tap on the login, so here you notice that error. So you can see it shows my incorrect password notification. So the password you enter is incorrect. Please try again. So you can see this is my real Instagram account with the correct password. So still I see the login problem with my Instagram password incorrection error. So you can see when I try to get the login using my Instagram password and username, so you will notice that it shows the error. So let me show how to fix the Instagram password incorrect error. So first you need to simply tap on the forgot password. Now here you need to simply type your Instagram username. Now tap on the continue. So you can see this is my Instagram account. So I want to basically reset the password, and I want to using here get a code or link via this email. So I have already verified email on this account, so I want to get a new verification code here. So after selecting this option, so simply tap on the continue, and now it asks the confirmation. So first I want to go to the email, and you notice that I will be receive a email 6-digit email verification from the Instagram. So here you can see I have received a 6-digit verification email. So on that email you will find the verification code, and you can also find a reset your password direct link. So you need to simply use this link, and now Instagram will display you a page where you can create the new password. So here you can see now it asks to create a new password. So now I want to put here the new password. Now here you can simply select the logout of other devices. So simply tap on the continue. So here you can see I have successfully fixed the Instagram password incorrect problem, and I have successfully get back the login on my Instagram account. So in this way you can easily fix the Instagram password incorrection error by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.